who delivered the speech, "The light has gone out of our lives" on the occasion of Gandhi's assassination? Jawaharlal Nehru. Chandrayaan 1, 2, 3, Mangalyaan and Aditya L1 were launched from which space research center? Satish Dhawan Space Center. Which is the longest tributary river in India? Yamuna River. Dikku and Dhansiri are the tributaries of which river? Brahmaputra. Which is the correct full form of AIMS? All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Deen Bandhu Chotu Ram Thermal Power Station is located in which Indian state? Haryana. Who was the first recipient of the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award? Vishwanathan Anand. Who is the author of the book Two States, The Story of My Marriage? Chetan Bhagat. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces? President of India. Which Dalai Lama was born in Arunachal Pradesh? Sixth. Where is Rashtrapati Niwas, also known as Viceregal Lodge, located? Shimla. In which year did C.V. Raman win the Nobel Prize? 1930. Who is known as the father of Carnatic music? Purandara Dasa. Which commission investigated the massacre at Jallianwala Bagh? Hunter Commission. Who was the first Indian-born person to win the Nobel Prize in Chemistry? Vengi Ramakrishnan. Golden Pagoda is located in which district of Arunachal Pradesh? Namsai. Which state became the 22nd state of India? Sikkim. Where is the Chhattisgarh High Court located? Bilaspur. In which year did the first electric train run in India? 1925. Who assassinated Brihadratha, the emperor of the Mauryan Empire? Pushyamitra Shunga.